Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
One day a man came to the service of the messenger of Allah to benefit from him.
O messenger of God, I have come from far away, so that I can meet you and take your advice which bring happiness and prosperity to me and my tribe.
The Prophet began to speak and said,
Go, do not be angry and do not get furious.
When he got back to his tribe, he saw that in his absence there had been a tragic accident. The old feud between his tribe and another tribe had intensified, and their men were lined up in front of each other for war. The man became angry and furious.
At last the conditions reached the war. It was good that I arrived on time. I should wear armor as soon as possible and join my tribe in order to respond to their insolence.
He immediately put on his armor and got ready for battle, which was on edge to be commenced. The people of both the tribes started reciting rhymes and inciting each other with provocative words. For a moment there was silence in the desert with the sound of the wind and the impatience of the horses, and this was the opportunity for the man to get out of the whirlwind of war and get lost in his thoughts.
In a few minutes, many people from these two tribes will be killed. Their poor children and wives will not see happiness and bliss. Happiness and bliss? Yes, that's why I went to the messenger of God. Oh God, how could I ignore the advice of the messenger of God? We must not confuse ourselves in this pointless war. Don't be late, think of a solution. Yes, something must be done.
The man immediately laid down his arms and went to the enemy's tribe. Everyone was wondering,
what is he doing? Is he crazy?
I do not know. Maybe he will become the target of enemies' arrows. Ask him to come back. Brothers, I wish you to be patient.
Who is this man? Why is he coming to us?
He is one of the elders of his tribe.
Take care of him in every case. His speed is natural. This may be a strategy.
Please be patient. I want to talk to you.
There is nothing left to talk about. Go back to your tribe and get ready for battle.
What are you trying to say? We don't have much time. It's too hot. We want to finish work and get back to work.
Too much self-belief. The way you came is without a return. Don't worry about the hot air and the scorching sun, because after a few minutes your dismembered body will become the food of the animals.
I swear to you, take it easy, but it is not that we are Muslims and believe in Allah and His Messenger. So we must obey their commands and words.
Tell me clearly, what is your purpose with this action?
I went to the Messenger of God and asked him to give me some advice which would bring me and my tribe happiness and prosperity. He said, one of the symbols of happiness and bliss is to avoid pointless anger and resentment. You will incite hatred and malice by shedding each other blood. Rest assured, the dust of this desert is too thirsty to drink the blood of the people of this tribe. But the wives and orphans of the dead husbands of our tribe know no cure other than revenge to heal their wounds. What was there is gone. What has happened so far is the result of disregarding recommendations of the Holy Prophet. The financial and human losses you have received from our tribe and you know the cause of them, ask them yourself. And those you do not know, I am present to pay with my wealth.
When the elders of the tribe heard his wise counsel, their hearts softened and the fire of hatred cooled down. They thanked the man for his action and said,
it is not necessary to make up the loss on your own. We deserve to be punished and pardoned.
Yes, in this way, following the advice of the Holy Prophet and leaving the anger and rage, the two tribes reconciled with each other and the fire of hatred and enmity was extinguished between them forever.